The top 3 most preventable office expenditures. Number 3, mobile phone insurance deductible, $250.
Jeff!
Number 2, light fixture replacement, $565.
Jeff!
Number 1, ransomware masquerading as Justin Bieber tunes, $6 Bitcoin. Ransomware can enter your system through seemingly innocent files, then encrypt your files and hold them hostage until you pay to have them released. Even worse, ransomware can spread to your business-critical systems, which can cost anywhere from thousands to millions of dollars in ransom, crisis management, lost productivity, and data.
Jeff!
But you can protect yourself from ransomware with SonicWall firewalls and SonicWall Capture Advanced Threat Protection. Capture ATP's multi-engine sandbox technology stops ransomware by automatically routing suspicious files to the cloud, where they're examined, detonated, and given a verdict. So even new and unidentified malware doesn't make it through to your network. Clean files get passed through quickly, and malicious code gets stopped in its tracks, so you can rest assured that your network is protected from malware, ransomware variants, zero-day attacks, and even Jeff. Too bad SonicWall can't protect you from everything Jeff does. Jeff. To learn more, visit sonicwall.com/capture.